Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase audience size with TikTok marketing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your target audience on TikTok. Research demographics to identify key interests and trends. Create relevant and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Utilize popular hashtags to increase visibility and reach. Engage with current trends and challenges to stay relevant. Post consistently to maintain audience interest and momentum. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand. Encourage user-generated content by creating challenges or prompts. Leverage TikTok ads for targeted marketing campaigns. Analyze your content's performance using TikTok analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what your audience engages with the most. Experiment with different content formats such as tutorials, behind the scenes, or storytelling. Utilize TikTok's features like duets and stitching to foster engagement. Promote your TikTok account across other social media platforms. Stay authentic and true to your brand voice to foster loyalty. Monitor competitors to understand successful strategies and adapt as needed. Continuously iterate and improve your content based on feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.